sana to another episode of Aisha Wanjiru. Aisha Shish. Karibuni sana, guys. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment, and also give it a thumbs up. Yeah? Guys, karibuni sana sana sana. I'm so happy. I even don't know what to say, guys. Huh? Hey, guys. Si nyinyi ni watu wa maana sana aki. Guys, may God bless you, guys. May God bless you abundantly, guys. May God bless you as you subscribe. May God bless you if you have subscribed, and may God bless you if you're subscribing now. Hey, may God bless you. I even don't have enough words to say, guys. Like, I'm almost 100 subscribers, guys. When I started this video, I started with a 0 subscriber, and now I'm in 100 subscriber. Hey, it's a hassle, man, but here I am, guys. 100 subscriber. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Guys, now we are road to 200 subscribers. Let's go, guys. Guys, share. Let the people come and subscribe. Enjoy the video. May this video inspire anyone out there. May this video inspire and also encourage anyone outside there. Unaona hata words zimeisha, man, because I even don't know what to say, guys. So guys, karibuni sana. You can't even imagine ni saa ngapi nina video as in I'm taking this video. It's 11, guys, but because of the happiness that I have, I felt like let me just start this video. So today I'm taking you to my night routine. I'm just seated here. I was watching a movie, but so okay, for the last 3 days we've not been having water, but since it may come, I decided like let me have this video. Let me start this video by showing you, okay, tomorrow I have to do laundry and I have so many clothes to wash. So what I do, kama I'm washing clothes tomorrow morning, I usually do my cleaning this evening, like this night. So I'm going to wash my utensils. Let me show you, guys. I'm going to wash my utensils, nipange vitu hapa pale. Then when we go to sleep, I even have clothes to fold, guys. I just hate folding clothes, guys. Man, sijui kama nyinyi mko hapa mnapenda kufold nguo ama. Me, like, to be sincere, hiyo sidanganyani. I hate folding clothes. Imagine, I hate hiyo. Inatumanga hadi niumwe na kichwa, but with you guys I'll fold. Anyway, guys, so guys, these are the only utensils I want to wash. Yeah, hizi ndio tu tumetumia. I want to wash these utensils, then I clean up here and there. Hapa nachotelea maji. It's going to one of my tanks. Is it my tanks? My jerrycans, yeah. So let me finish kuchotelea, then I wash the utensils. Kulikuwa na shida ya maji, but finally at least imekam. I'll do my doggy tomorrow. I'm so happy, guys. Guys, imagine this one I had finished. Hii at least imejaa. Sasa inachotelea hii na haka kamtungi. Sijui kama kako na maji. Yeah, kako na maji. So nachotelea hii na hii. I'm now washing my dishes. Yeah. Then after washing, I think of how I'm going to fold the clothes. Man, I just hate folding clothes, but I'll just do it. Yeah. Yeah, so okay guys, for those who are new here, for those who are watching and they haven't subscribed, so please make sure you subscribe, you like, you share, and also comment down below. And if there is anything that you'd like me to do or to cook or anything that you'd like me to do, guys, don't forget to comment down below. You can suggest of anything that you want me to do, and I will do it, guys. So enjoy the video, guys, and hope you're motivated in whatever I do. Hope you're inspired in whatever I do, guys. Keep on watching, subscribe, yeah, and enjoy, guys. I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes, seeing eyes of mine. I'm now finalizing. Yeah, I know I've taken too much, but so far so good. Hope you're still enjoying it. Yeah, and for those who are coming right now, make sure you subscribe, guys. Subscribe, like, share, please, 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 please. Don't leave this video. Usimalizie video kama huja subscribe, tafadhali, tafadhali, tafadhali. Guys, please subscribe, subscribe, and share, comment. Guys, comment. So keep enjoying the video. Thank you, guys. So guys, I've finished washing my utensils. Now I want to fold my clothes now. Let's fold these clothes. Tukiona nikijijaza hapa. Mimi na kufold clothes. Sio kitu kimoja. So come.
Fairy Princess, you came back. Yes, I did. And I saw your wonderful dancing on stage, Molly. Now that you believe in yourself, you don't need the magic slipper anymore. Wait, Fairy Princess.
Say hi. Say hi and move there.
My magic slipper.
Don't touch. Kuja sasa, kuja hapa. Kuja hapa, baba. Come. Say hi to people. So guys, I've finished folding my clothes. I feel like I've done everything. Hey, me folding clothes. Anyway, I finished folding my clothes. Now I want to soak the clothes that I'm going to wash tomorrow. So I'm going to soak them and also pack these clothes that I've already folded. I want to pack them in my cupboard. Is it cupboard or in my drawer? Anyway, whatever it's called. So najua mimi na Kasungu sijui tulipelekana wapi. Anyway, as long as you can understand what I want to say, you're good to go. Anyway, let me pack the clothes, then I show you how I'm going to soak my baby's clothes. I always start with my baby's clothes. Huwa nazisoak first, then after that, when I finish soaking baby clothes. Okay, on my bucket I've added 1 handful of Omo tools and 2 bottle tops of colored jik, and now I'm adding water, but halfway. Yeah. Guys, it's done. I've finished soaking my baby's clothes. Wow, I'm even feeling sleepy. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, you like, you share, and also comment down below. Guys, thank you so much for taking this time to come and watch my video. Hope you've enjoyed my video. Thank you so much. God bless you. See you on my next vlog. Thank you.